In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Videopress in WordPress 2025. Whether you're new to WordPress or a seasoned user wanting to enhance your site with video content, this guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. So let's get started on this exciting journey to integrate seamless video capabilities on your WordPress site. First off, let's navigate to wordpress.com. This is the platform where we'll carry out most of our tasks today. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Logging in is crucial as it gives you access to your site's editing functionalities. If you're someone who prefers convenience, you'll be pleased to know that WordPress provides an option to log in using your Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google. This method not only saves time but also ensures tighter security by connecting through an account you likely use every day. Now, after clicking it, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Choose the account you wish to associate with WordPress, preferably the one linked to your WordPress account for a smoother transition. Once that's done, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center, filled with various editing and customization tools. On the right panel, notice the section called Quick Links. Here, you'll want to select Edit Site. This option is your gateway to making changes and adding content directly to your WordPress site. Now, once you're in the site editing mode, the next step is to add a block. You'll find this action under the plus icon visible on your editing dashboard. Clicking this icon will reveal a variety of block options to choose from, enabling you to add various types of content, including text, images, and of course videos. Move forward by typing Videopress into the search bar that appears after clicking the plus icon. Videopress is a powerful feature integrated into WordPress to help streamline video content uploads on your site. Once you type it in, you'll see the Videopress option pop up in the list. Then simply click on Videopress. Doing this will insert the Videopress block into your selected section of the page. This block is an incredibly useful tool to showcase videos directly on your website with minimal effort, and it maintains a high quality of playback and compatibility with different devices. Congratulations! You've successfully added Videopress to your WordPress website. By following these steps, you are now equipped to enhance your site with engaging video content that can captivate and inform your audience. Keep experimenting with WordPress's many features to create an even more dynamic and interactive site. So that's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for spending your time with us, and happy blogging.